Does LG TV have Spectrum app? No, LG Smart TVs do not have a dedicated Spectrum TV app available for direct download from the LG Content Store. However, users can still watch Spectrum TV on LG TVs through alternative methods like streaming devices, screen mirroring, or using the web browser. Spectrum TV is officially supported on devices like Roku, Apple TV, and Fire Stick, but there are workarounds for LG TV owners. 1. Spectrum TV app is not available on LG Content Store. LG Smart TVs running WebOS do not support the Spectrum TV app. This means users cannot install the app directly like they would on a Roku or a Fire Stick device. 2. Use a streaming device for Spectrum TV. The easiest way to watch Spectrum TV on an LG Smart TV is by connecting a supported streaming device such as Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. These devices allow users to download and access the Spectrum TV app without restrictions. Third, screen mirroring or casting can be used. Another option is to mirror or cast Spectrum TV from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Apple users can use AirPlay, while Android users can use screen mirroring features to display the Spectrum app on the TV screen. 4. Web browser access is a possible alternative. Some LG Smart TVs allow users to stream Spectrum TV through the built-in web browser. By visiting the Spectrum TV website and logging in, users may be able to watch live and on-demand content without installing an app. However, performance may vary depending on the TV model and browser compatibility. 5. A Spectrum subscription is required. Regardless of the method used, a valid Spectrum TV subscription is needed to access content. Users must log in with their Spectrum credentials to stream live TV, on-demand shows, and DVR recordings. While LG Smart TVs do not have a native Spectrum TV app, users can still watch Spectrum through streaming devices, screen mirroring, or the web browser. Using a Roku or Fire Stick is the best option for a smooth viewing experience.